Right, this is a continuation of this is the second of a series of discussions I'm gonna have on films with a 15 certificate, um, debating whether they're suitable for viewing by Christians or not. I've got one here: Earthquake Underground, Tower of Terror. When the world collapses, only the strong escape. Right, you'll read the back of it. United by disaster, driven to survive. A massive earthquake submerges a skyscraper underground. Now a group of employees from all walks of life must work through their differences and band together. And when more incoming earthquakes threaten to destroy the building entirely, they are all forced to find a way to the surface if they are to survive. Now, why has it been? What are the reasons why it has been given a 15 certificate? The reasons for the 15 certificate are moderate threat, injury detail, violence, and its frequent strong language. Oh, I've actually watched it 2 or 3 times. I've never actually noticed any strong language in it. There must be some somewhere, but as it said, it's got moderate threat, injury detail, and violence. But it's there isn't. There's very little violence in it. It's certainly not strong violence. It's just like it's like a sort of disaster movie, similar to Titanic or the Towering Inferno. It's probably, I think you could probably be described as. I'd have to watch it again to fully to because let's have a look at the front of it. Or Earthquake Underground, Tower of Terror. When the world collapses, only the strong escape. So it's, as you can see, it's got the 15 certificates. I think it's probably like a sort of borderline, but borderline between 12A and 15. So they opted to give it a 15. The British Board of Film Classification opted to give it a 15 certificate. Did it the head on the side of the 15 certificate in this case? Um, Another film that's very similar to it might end up with a 12A, but this has got a 15. Picture format, widescreen, color mode, color. And the duration is 83 minutes. So, as I say, I've watched it 2 or 3 times, and I've never actually noticed any swearing in it. There must be some, but I haven't noticed it because it didn't have the sound turned up particularly high. And as I said, it isn't a particularly violent film, so there isn't anybody of a religious persuasion wouldn't have a great deal of it wouldn't find this film to be particularly problematic. Really, it's something even though it's got a 15 certificate, it's something that's not it's something that's not likely to offend. Really, even though a large proportion of 15 certificate films are likely to offend, this one isn't one of them. So but maybe if you watch the film, you'll disagree with me on that. But that's my opinion anyway.